Okay, Shishir, we are into furniture business, and I have an experience of 20 years. So I've been serving the corporate houses. So we started our venture in 2019, November 2019, after doing complete survey of the industry. So we found out a vacuum in the furniture industry. We did a pilot project in June 2019. Once it was successful, we had entire payment and profits. We started our venture in November 2019. So till date, we have been doing all bootstrapping. We have three partners in all, and we have done decent amount of business. And it is a flight light model, no factory, nothing doing. We have been aggregating the business, but we are doing it on regional basis. So we are right now operating in Delhi NCR, right? So we want to take it national now because we have a proven business model with established profits, and our vision has always been national, playing it national, right? So there are two, three things. First is that in case we continue to bootstrap, then we might not be able to go national in a very fast pace. Fine. So that is the reason we need funding. At the same time, will funding obstruct our style of business? Because there are people who tell us कि the moment आपने fund managers को या people who are investing in your company, then it becomes more of a job again and less of your own business. Then you lose control over your business. So how true is that? First and foremost, and what kind of funding should a founder टेक केयर ऑफ कि यार इतना फंडिंग लें ताकि कंट्रोल ना जाए बिजनेस के ऊपर.
Okay. So the first question first, when you say funding is required, yes, I'll tell you. सबसे important is when you are scaling up. Yes. You take any example. Let's take the example of richest people in the world. Out of top 10, 7 came through the startup route. Whether it is Elon Musk or you talk about Jeff Bezos or anyone, right. 7 in the current scenario came through startup route. And I researched 3 full years for my book, and I found none of these organizations, or to be very frank, none of the biggest and richest in the world have even survived without the external funding.
Okay.
There are companies, they delayed their funding, right? So, but that does not mean they have survived without the funding, because you need fund. Business is about money. So this is number one, it is clear. You need to have funds, but how to get the funds, that is more important question. Because while you approach the external investors, you need to have a particular model in place. A very good example is Bluewood,
Sorry?
Bluewood, Noida-based company. They are part of, they were our members. Right? Some Abhishek Singh or Abhinav Singh, I do not remember his name completely.
Okay.
So I interacted with him around 2.5 years ago. He's from Noida.
Okay.
And that time he was building that model, and he built a very good model.
Okay.
And he started selling through Amazon. He started scaling up through distributors and all. And now it became a B2C kind of product. So, suppose you require just one desk to work from home. That is a very good choice. You require one panel for the TV. It is a very good choice, right? So when you become a consumer brand, because again, another research says most of the unicorns are towards the consumer side, not B2B.
Okay.
Right? If you dig deep into it, you will find that most of the unicorns are towards consumer, because it is very easy to disrupt the consumer directly. It's very difficult to go to the B2B side. Right?
Okay.
Consumer loyalty is far more than the B2B loyalty.
Okay.
Right? So that is how, if you focus on consumers directly, this will give you more margins. This will give you better customer loyalty references,
Right.
and the delivery of the product will be direct to the consumer.
And easier also.
Now another question that you said, people say that investors will eat you up, or maybe command you. Right? This is entirely false. Entirely false.
Okay.
There is a legal document called term sheet that defines everything. Right? If you say I don't want your interference at all, then investor cannot interfere at all. It is as just like share market, right? Suppose you buy the share of TCS, 3150 is right now, right? So you buy 100 shares, 3 lakh something, and you can't do anything about TCS except once in a year when they invite you to do the voting.
Correct.
Similarly here, the same case, investor will not be able to do anything. But the best part is, the investors, these people are the people who are maybe celebrities or influential people in the industry. Suppose you get investment from a person, say who's from say a laminate or plywood company, right? Very big. So or maybe from Pidilite Industries. So they understand the industry deep.
Correct.
They have the connections.
Correct.
They can give you a kickstart by just referring and recommending, right? Suppose CEO or maybe CFO or CMO of such kind of organization comes to you, and they will not interfere, right? They will never interfere, because if you put a fine lining, if you put that particular lining, nobody can interfere. So that is called term sheet. That is why lawyers are required in place, and we do all those documents. If the funding comes, and I tell you, it's not difficult. People have created it a very difficult way. It's not the way it is depicted. If you have a model in place, if you approach those investors, if you approach say somebody who's a CEO of Pidilite or CXO, any CFO, CTO, if example they make a salary of, I'm just taking vague example, 1.2 crores per year, which is very normal, right? 10 lakh rupees a month, right? And if you ask that person, sir, give me 25 lakhs over a period of 3 years, right? And if you get approach 5 such people, you get your initial ticket size funding of 1 crore, which is enough to show that what you can do in this money. If you can scale up in this money, there will be hundreds of investors running towards you. In fact, these people, your first initial investors will again come back. They will tell, okay, Amit, why don't you take more funds? Right? This is how it happens. But the mistake, especially founders do, is they think zyada funding chahiye. We need 5 crores, 6 crores, 10 crores, 100 crores. That is the wrong way. It is okay. It is okay to take more funding, right? It is nothing bad, because money is required for business. But it is not okay to take the funding so much or asking for it in initial period, right? Take say 25 lakhs, 50 lakhs, utilize that money. I'll tell you, we always say in this line, especially in startups, which is the most important currency. Somebody says, dollar, Bitcoin, euros. No. Reputation is the most precious currency in the world in today's time.
Right.
If you build the reputation by just say 25 lakhs, 50 lakhs, right? Some founders tell me, Shishir, this is like 50 lakh, to main chewing gum kha ke thuk deta hu. So it does not matter, right? There are founders, I will not take the name, there is a founder from, a very big group in Bhubaneswar. And he said, Shishir, 50 lakh is something like, it's not even respecting me. I said, sir, don't look at 50 lakhs. Look at, you are getting somebody's money. And if you are utilizing this money in the right way, they will be happy to give you 10 times more money. But you have to start from somewhere, right? So that is, if you don't have a previous experience of raising funds from angel investors, then you are a fresher in the industry. Being a fresher, you have to go step by step. Take 25 lakh, which is the minimum investment. And we are doing these kind of demo days very soon. Again, demo days coming in 15 days. There we will pick up 10 founders like you, right? Who are doing real business, who are making money, revenue.
Actually.
Right. And the other side, we invite investors. We tell them, hear them out and understand what kind of business they are doing and what kind of scalability they can achieve later on, provided you fund them. Right? And we ask our investors to put in a very small amount, 2.5 lakh rupees. So 10 investors can fund one startup in one event itself, or maybe 5-6 startups, right? 2.5 lakh rupees for a person who's making good is not big amount, and that is how we build the first round. And if that round happens, if you are in this, another one thing is very important. If you are able to raise one time, then you can raise again. Okay.
There is a question, like in case, we take a funding of say 50 lakh rupees, but actually the fund which was required was say 3.5 crores, right? So we start building our company with those 50 lakh rupees. But once those 50 lakhs are exhausted, how sure are we that we will be able to get another 50 lakhs or 1 crore?
100%, be sure, 100%. If you are able to raise 50 lakhs, you will be able to raise 5 crores, then you will be able to raise 50 crores.
The challenge is, अगर वो नहीं हुआ तो बीच में
मैं करूँगा. I am there for you, I guarantee. On public call, I am telling you, recorded session, write it down on stamp paper, I can challenge it.
अच्छा.
Huh? If you are able to utilize that money in the right way,
yes,
money is everywhere. Then comes the VCs, institutions are there. They have public money. We don't understand, sometimes we don't even think about what is VC money. VC money is the money which is raised from annuity fund. Right? 1% of the US annuity, PPF, LICs kind of long term 50 साल का जो fund है in US, if you take 1% out of it, it is huge.
Right.
It is really huge.
Right.
And that the government allows them to invest 1% of that amount to high risk securities. Because high risk equal to high return. So these VCs, they don't have their own money, but they have an objective. It is like a rule book, right? Like a lawyer and judge. I am a lawyer, I'll tell you. Like a lawyer and judge, they speak the same language. Lawyer can't do anything on its own. Judge can't do anything on its own.
Correct.
They have to abide by the rule book. Similarly, VCs have their rule book. They have the objective, everything is written, and it is as good as mathematics. You give me 2 plus 2, they will give you 4.
So what you are trying to tell me is, one thing is absolutely straight. If we get started with funding somehow, and if we are able to utilize that funding in the right way, or what we promise, then there is no looking back.
Visualize yourself. There was an Naseeruddin Shah movie, where he used to have legacy, and they asked him, we will give you money only if you are able to spend 1 crore, but you don't have to buy assets. Have you seen that? Actually, this is the real life of funding. Reality. You don't have to buy assets. If you are able to utilize this 50 lakhs, right, and create revenue out of it, if you multiply this money, then you can, take enormous amount of fund. Enormous.
That's given.
Provided that you have the equity level. Right. You don't have to throw away the equity. Right. So
and how do we get the guidance over how much equity and how to take care of it?
We have everything. We have spent 6 good years in startups, in venture capital, investment banking, everything is there. Startup Lanes can help you end to end with everything. Right. So whether it is the term sheets, whether it is the venture capital, angel investment, it is all about from your idea to IPO, we have everything. From idea to IPO. So once you are in between say flight going Mumbai to Delhi, and you are in between catching it in Jaipur, then also we are going in the same direction.
Right.
Our end line is IPO. Right. And this is what we are trying to do. We are trying to at least give this vision to everyone, especially the entrepreneurs, to dream big, aim big, because this is the time. This time has never come ever in the life of India, and this will never come ever in the life of India again. This is the best time for us. What has happened in US in 70s is happening in India right now.
Right.
Investor वो कबर से निकल के आ रहे हैं. Everybody is मरे हुए जिंदा हो रहे हैं. This is actually the reality. People are ready to invest immediately. Right? India's growth story is the best in the world. 12% growth. But अगर अभी भी पैसा नहीं मिला तो कभी नहीं मिलेगा. Because it's all about, then it is not about finding the investors. Technically, it is not about finding the investors. I'm telling you very true. In India, every person, even a common man, has a fixed deposit of 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh. Common men also have. Right? We are not able to beat the inflation also. Right? 5% FD return and inflation, you can't beat FD inflation with the FD. Still, we are keeping that money in the FD. We are afraid because again, this system is not very trustworthy as of now. There is lot of scammers have scammed the common man and people. Even the investors, even the educated people, they don't understand what is angel investing. We tell them that we'll give you 18%, 24% fixed return. And from those companies which are good, ready, settled, there are entrepreneurs who have been doing since generations. Right? There are entrepreneurs who have been doing business, father and grandfather's grandfather. Right? And they have the legacy. So technically investing 5 lakh, 10 lakhs with such kind of businesses is never bad. If they are giving you the fixed return. Somebody having shop in the Khari Babuli, if investor invest 5 lakh rupees with such guy, I don't think there is a risk. I don't think. So that is what we are doing. We are doing these road shows, events with the investors. We are explaining them. We are creating their communities, telling them what kind of benefits, and also the most important thing, we are telling them your money should not go into the bank and go into the Malias. Your money should go to the common man, entrepreneurs who are building the nation, creating the jobs.
Correct.
And we are doing this at our best, and this is happening, thank God, thanks to the system of, thanks to, I will not say BJP or any government, but thanks to whatever is happening in the country, this is happening. This new wave of nationalism has come up. So everybody is patriotic right now. They want to do something for their nation.
Absolutely.
We have to scale it up. We have to just stick to this. Everybody is believing and trusting upon our people. This time is changing. Earlier that was happening. People were thinking, Videshi hai to acha hai, foreign good is good. Right? Import from America, Americans, or expensive is good. No, now this is changing. Now this is changing. I was in the morning. I just went to buy some flowers for puja, and I saw packets of these fruits and vegetables, in bulk quantities for distribution. And then I realized there is a new startup on the block. They are supplying directly from the farms to the houses, and they were more than 5,000 packets I saw. So you can imagine, 5,000 houses. Wow. 5,000 families at least receiving at one particular location, and a startup is doing it. And this was not Amazon, a new blog, new startup that came, and they are doing it very nicely. Okay. So this is the story. India is changing, and we should be really proud and happy about it.
Right.
And we are there. We are there to support at all the levels.
Thanks. All right. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Pleasure. All right.